guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would help your V-Woman wet and healthy, smells good, and you know. So if you're a lady, this remedy is just gonna be everything you need. Okay, it's something that when you be like, when you see, you be like, oh no, but it does work. Okay, it is natural, okay, and it is very effective. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video and don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. I'll be needing some okra, guys. This okra is gonna get your V-Woman wet and healthy down there. If you understand what I mean, you have to say everything in code, okay, because of the interest of children or kids who are actually watching the video. Okay, so this okra is one remedy that would help you, like, it will help you so freaking much to get wet down there and to be healthy down there. It's gonna get rid of all of the smell, and the most important thing is that when you get wet, it's gonna be easy for your partner to get into there, and it's gonna be fun. Okay, so well, as simple as it looks, it is very, very effective. Okay, so let's do it. And also we're gonna be needing aloe vera also. Now aloe vera is a great remedy, and this would also help us. So we're actually preparing two different methods, so any which one you can afford to take, it's still okay. Either the aloe vera or the okra method, it will help you get super duper wet down there, like, trust me. So let's do it. So the first thing, we are going to be extracting the seed of this. Okay, and you're going to be extracting it into the bowl, just like that. So you open it up, you see a lot of seed. Now if your okra does not have seed, it's not organic, so you have to get okra that has seed, because basically what you need is the seed. So you can see that I've extracted one. Let's get at least two so we can have more seed. Alright, so now we have enough seed for this. Okay, but I don't know if you can see that. Let me transfer it into something that you can see. Okay, So I'm sure you can see that. Okay, so now you're going to be needing warm water. So you're going to put warm water into the okra seed. Okay, and then you let it, you keep it down for it to, you know, do the job. So I'm going to keep it aside. Aloe vera, you're going to take a little aloe vera, so you're going to prepare and peel the aloe vera. And now you're going to cut it. Okay, let me keep it down here before I cut my hand. Cut it into cubes, and then you put in warm water too. Okay, so here warm water and okra seed warm water. So you're not going to take two of this at the same time, one at the same time, one at a go. Okay, so what you do is that you keep this for it to cool down, like every so when it cools down, then it is ready also for the aloe vera for it to cool down. So after when it is cooled down, then you can sieve it out. So let me show you that the water has actually changed. See that the water has actually changed a little bit. So this is what you're gonna drink, like you're gonna drink it. And also for the aloe vera, you sieve it out because aloe vera itself is very bitter. So just doing it this way would help you to take it. So this is it, aloe vera water, and this is the okra water. So any of this, guys, you can actually drink it. Aloe vera is edible, okra is edible. So if you can drink this, okay, let me have a take and let me tell you how it does taste. Okay, so for this, it doesn't actually taste bad. It tastes like normal, but it has a little bit of the okra flavor or smell. And let me take this and let you know how it tastes. Alright, you all know that aloe vera is very bitter, so this is actually bitter. Okay, and it's a little bit slimy in the mouth. Yeah, even if you take aloe vera itself, which is this, okay, it's also slimy. So that's it, guys. You can actually take it like once, anytime you want to get into intimate with your partner, you can take it and it's going to help you a whole lot. So that's it, guys. Either you use the okra seed water or you use the aloe vera water. The aloe vera water is a little bit bitter and slimy. The okra seed is not bitter, it's not slimy, it's just like that, just like I earlier said. But it is great, it is natural and it's wonderful. So if you did love the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. And I'll see you soon in my next video, and turn on that bell beside the subscribe button, alright, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Bye guys, and mwah.